Hi everybody, it's Diana of Crooked Little Studio and I'm here with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you a super simple image transfer process. There goes Nugget. All right, so you can use a regular number 2 pencil. You can use a charcoal pencil or any kind of charcoal really. And I'm also trying soft pastel pencils. Now I've asked the paper pixies and the color guides to help me out by doing just a sampler with these items on one piece of paper with handwriting or drawing or whatever, and they made a grocery list. But you know what? It's going to work. So let me show you how it works. So here is the grocery list. We have number 2 pencil, charcoal pencil, and soft pastel pencils. And you start with a bare naked gel plate. No paint, no medium, no nothing. It's just a bare plate. I'm going to take this, turn it upside down, and press it onto the plate. I think I may have accidentally bumped the gel plate before it landed in its final spot, so we may have a little boo-boo there, but we'll see. All right, so all I'm doing is applying pressure, and I am lifting it up. And you can tell it has transferred. It might transfer again, but you can test that out later. Like I said, this is a quick tip. All right, so I've got my milky white, and I'm just going to put a little bit on here, roll it out. I need to get a piece of paper first. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go. All right, so spreading this out thinly. Now, if you had layers printed already and you wanted your handwriting or drawing or whatever to be on top, you could do this with like gel medium. That would work as well. You might just have to experiment a little bit. Okay. And there you have it. We have our grocery list that is now frameable. I hope this gives you some good ideas. The Tuesday after next is right after Christmas. I'm preparing for family, guys. I'm slowing down a little bit on my business end so I can focus on my family end because I have got sons and grandkids and daughter-in-law and parents and a nephew and a brother coming in for Christmas, and I'm going to focus on that. So I will see you again on January 6th. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Oops, I almost forgot. There's still charcoal and pencil on here, so how do you clean it off? Because it could transfer another couple of times to other prints. I have just some mineral oil in this bottle. I'm going to put a little bit on and spread it around with a little bit with my fingers, but it's probably going to need a paper towel to thoroughly get it off there. Let me spread it over the entire surface. All right. So yeah, good wipe. Just kind of have to scrub a little bit with it. But the mineral oil helps take it off. You can see how it's cleaning up. Probably more than charcoal on there. Probably some paint stains and things too. But just give it a good cleaning like that. And that should do it. I will see you in January.